Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create the viral cat videos just using AI. So I'm just going to open ChatGPT first, and you're just going to ask it to create like a storyline. Create a storyline with scenes, make it funny about the story of a cat, like a mother cat and a son cat that gets left behind by the father or cat, something like that. And then, oh, you should probably make it like a lot of scenes. For instance, like this, you're just going to copy it, and then you're going to you're going to go to Magic Hour, and you're going to like look for like cats. So start with template maybe, and then type in cat, maybe like this one here, and then you're going to use this template, and then you can upload your image. I think it's easier to maybe do a text to video, but you can also upload an image maybe from ChatGPT. Just like generate an image first and upload that. That is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.